In this video, I'll show you how to create an invoice in Stripe. First, sign into your Stripe account and open the Stripe dashboard. Next, click Billing in the left-hand menu and select Invoices. Once you're on the Invoices page, click Create Invoice. After that, choose an existing customer or create a new customer by entering their name and email address. Now, add the products or services you want to bill for. Enter a description, quantity, and price for each item you want included on the invoice. Next, review the invoice details and make any necessary adjustments, such as adding taxes, discounts, payment terms, or a due date. After that, click Preview to review the invoice before sending it to your customer. Once everything looks correct, click Send Invoice. Stripe will email the invoice directly to your customer along with a secure payment link. Finally, monitor the invoice from your Stripe dashboard to track when it has been sent, viewed, and paid. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create an invoice in Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.